Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, we are discussing applications of integrals. Okay, all example problems discussed first exercise before first exercise, example 4 except example 4. First we will discuss example 4, after that we will start exercise problems. Example 4, find the area of the region in first quadrant enclosed by x-axis and the line y is equal to x and circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. Okay, area of the region in first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, the line y is equal to x and circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. Okay, first of all, if you draw x square plus y square is equal to 32. Okay, this is the circle. So square root of 32. Square root of 32 is nothing but 4 root 2. So center is 0, 0, radius is 4 root 2. So intersect x axis at 4 root 2 comma 0 minus 4 root 2 comma 0, 0 comma 4 root 2, 0 comma minus 4 root 2. Okay, and area of the region in first quadrant enclosed by x axis and the line y is equal to x. Y is equal to x, y is equal to x line like this, no? Y is equal to x is a line passing through origin making an intercept of 45 degrees along positive direction of x axis. Okay, so this is y is equal to x axis, y is equal to x. Now this line and this circle intersected two different points, one in first quadrant, one in third quadrant. Okay, now first of all we will find this point of intersection. How we can point of intersection? Simplify circle and line. Okay, so what is the line equation? Y is equal to x and circle equation is what? X square plus y square is equal to 32. Okay, now solving 1 and 2, simply in place of in place of y you write x. So what we get? X square plus x square equal to 32, 2x square is equal to 32. Okay, x square equal to 16, x is equal to plus or minus 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 4 means y is also plus or minus 4, no? So line and circle intersect at 4 comma 4 and in third quadrant minus 4 comma minus 4. So anyhow we are discussing in first quadrant only. So that point in first quadrant, the line and circle intersect at 4 comma 4 in first quadrant. Okay, in first quadrant they will intersect at 4 comma 4. Clear? Next, now this is the line y is equal to x and this is the circle. Area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x axis and the line y is equal to x. So y is equal to x means this area will get, okay, this area, and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. So area of the region BOAB, this area we have to find. Area of the region BOMAB, this area we have to find. Okay, this is the required area we have to find. Okay, now to find out this, look at the diagram carefully. Now this line and circle intersecting at B 4 comma 4, that is the common point on the circle as well as on the line. So from that point I will drop a perpendicular on x axis. Okay, perpendicular on x axis. So from 4 comma 4 if you drop a perpendicular on x axis, it will be what? 4 comma 0, let it be m, okay, m 4 comma 0. So the required area is equal to, observe carefully, area under the triangle OBM, this triangle area, plus area under the region BMAB, that is what we have to find. Okay, observe carefully ma. Now this circle and straight line intersecting at the point 4 comma 4 in first quadrant. Okay, so we have to find area bounded by OBAMO. This area we have to find. So first of all, I will drop a perpendicular from B 4 comma 4 onto x axis. So what will be the point on x axis? 4 comma 0. So the required area is nothing but area under the triangle OBM plus area under the region BMAB. Okay. Now area under the triangle OBM, this is nothing but area under the line y is equal to x line. This is the area under the line y is equal to x. Now here x moves from 0 to 4. Okay, lower limit 0, upper limit 4. Okay, so integral 0 to 4 y dx, this area of the region OBMO. Okay, area under this line from 0 to 4, okay, is integral 0 to 4 y dx. Okay, next, now area in the region BMAB, in this region area, but this is nothing but 4 0 to 4 root 2 comma 0. So limit, lower limit is how much? 4, upper limit is how much? 4 root 2. Now here area under this circle, no, y dx we have to write. Okay, area under this part, this is nothing but area under the circle. Okay, now what is circle equation? X square plus y square is equal to 32. So y square is equal to 32 minus x square. So y is equal to plus or minus square root of 32 minus x square. Because we are considering in first quadrant, what we can write? Y is equal to square root of 32 minus x square. Okay, so integral 0 to 4 y dx plus integral 4 to 4 root 2 y dx. Okay, so this is nothing but area under this line, this part is nothing but area under the circle. Okay, so 0 to 4 area under the line y is equal to x, 4 to 4 root 2 area under the circle. Okay, so what is the line equation? Y is equal to x, no? So 0 to 4 y dx is nothing but 0 to 4 x dx plus 4 to 4 root 2 y dx, area under the circle, 4 to 4 root 2 this region. Okay, area under the circle, what is the circle equation? X square plus y square is equal to 32, y is equal to square root of 32 minus x square. Okay, now first of all this part easy ma, x integration x square by 2, lower limit 0, upper limit 4, we substitute upper limit 4 square 16 by 2 8, lower limit 0, so this part is how much? 8. So area under the triangle OBM is 8. Now here without using integration part also you can solve. How we can solve? Now if you observe triangle OBM, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle, area of right angle triangle is half base height we can write, no? So half into OM into BM we can write, half into OM length is how much? 4, BM length is also 4, half into 4 into 4, 16 by 2, nothing but 8, like that also you can calculate, but anyhow we have to use integration part. So using integration part, this area of the region OBMO, area under this triangle, area in this triangle is, area of the triangle OBM is how much? 8. So that is first part. Okay, next, area under the triangle, area under the circle. Okay, x square plus y square is equal to 32, between the limits x equal to 4 to x is equal to 4 root 2. Okay, so what we have? Integral 4 to 4 root 2 square root of 32 minus x square dx. So this is the square root of a square minus x square. Square root of a square minus x square integration is what? X by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Okay, so using that formula, So what we have here, this integral part, x by 2 into square root of 32 minus x square plus a square by 2, 32 by 2 into sin inverse of x by a, x by square root of 32 is nothing but 4 root 2, lower limit 4, upper limit 4 root 2. Okay, this part integral calculated already, this is 8. Now here in place of x will substitute upper limit 4 root 2 minus in place of x will substitute lower limit 4. Okay, now by substituting 4 root 2 in place of x, by substituting 4 root 2, so what we will get here, 4 root 2 upon 2 into square root of 32 minus 4 root 2 whole square is 32, no? So this entire part is 0, this entire part is 0, plus here 32 upon 2 is 16, 16 into sin inverse of, in place of x if you write 4 root 2, sin inverse of 4 root 2 upon 4 root 2, that is 1, sin inverse of 1, 16 into sin inverse of 1, 16 into sin inverse of 1. So this part is 0 anyhow, 16 into sin inverse of 1. Okay, so upper limit by substituting 16 into sin inverse of 1, 16 into sin inverse of 1 is how much, pi by 2. So 16 into pi by 2, 16 into pi by 2, 2 to get cancelled, 8 pi. Okay, but this is 8 plus this part is 8 pi, minus if you substitute lower limit, how much lower limit, 4, in place of x if you substitute 4, 4 by 2 into square root of 32 minus 4 square, 16, 32 minus 16 is 16, okay, plus 16 into sin inverse of 4 upon 4 root 2, okay. So here how much we have, 2 into root 16, root 16 is 4, 2 into 4, 8, plus 16 into sin inverse of 4 upon 4 root 2, 4 4 cancel, sin inverse of 1 upon root 2, sin inverse of 1 upon root 2 is how much, pi by 4. So in this bracket what we have, minus 8 minus 16 into pi by 4, 16 into pi by 4, 4 4 cancel, 4 pi. So minus 8 minus 4 pi, minus 8 minus 4 pi. So minus 8 plus 8 cancel. So 8 pi minus 4 pi is 4 pi, 4 pi square units. That is the final answer. Okay. Now here question is to find area of the region in first quadrant enclosed by x-axis and the line y is equal to x and the curve and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. Okay. First of all, this line and circle intersect at what points? Now in first quadrant as well as in third quadrant they will intersect. Simply to find out point of intersection, simplify these two. So how we will simplify? In circle equation in place of y I will write x. So what we got, x is equal to plus or minus 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 4 means y is also plus or minus 4. So 4 comma 4 and minus 4 comma minus 4. So anyhow in first quadrant only, that is enough. First quadrant point of intersection is 4 comma 4. So we have to find area of the region OBAMO. This area we have to find. So for this what we will do is area under the line y is equal to x from 0 to 4 and area under the circle from 4 to 4 root 2, because these two are intersecting here. Now if you drop a perpendicular, okay, drop a perpendicular from B onto x-axis M, that is 4 comma 0. So area of the region OBMO plus area of the region BMAB. Okay, this area plus this area. This is nothing but area under the line. This is nothing but area under the circle. Okay, so area under the line y is equal to x, no? So 0 to 4 y dx, nothing but 0 to 4 x dx, plus now 4 to 4 root 2 area under this circle. What is the circle equation? Circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to 32, y is equal to plus or minus square root of 32 minus x square. Okay, so we are considering the first quadrant, so y positive will consider. So this part integration direct formula, x by x integration is x square by 2, lower limit 0, upper limit 4. Okay, 16 by 2 nothing but 8. Okay, this part plus now this part square root of a square minus x square form. Okay, x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a, lower limit 4, upper limit 4 root 2. Okay, now here a square is 32, a is 4 root 2. Okay, now by substituting upper limit 4 root 2 upon 2 into square root of 32 minus 32, this part 0, plus 16 into sin inverse of 4 root 2 upon 4 root 2. Okay, 4 root 2 upon 4 root 2 cancel, sin inverse of 1, sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2, 16 into pi by 2, 8 pi. So this bracket value is 8 pi minus, while when substituting lower limit 4, so what we have, 4 by 2 into square root of 32 minus 4 square plus 16 into sin inverse of 4 upon 4 root 2. Okay, So how much it is? 8 plus 16 into pi by 4. 16 into pi by 4, 4 cancel, 4 pi. Okay. So how much it is? In bracket we have minus 8 minus 4 pi. So plus 8 minus 8 cancel. 8 pi minus 4 pi is 4 pi square units. Okay. Now exercise 8.1. First question, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to x and the lines x is equal to 1, x equal to 4 and x axis in the first quadrant. Okay. Here what is the curve given? Y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x, it is a parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax is a standard equation of parabola. Y square is equal to x is a parabola. Okay. This curve is, here we have even power of y. So graph is symmetrical about x axis. Whatever graph you have above x axis, same graph below x axis also. Okay. Now this is y square is equal to x graph. Okay. Now between the lines x is equal to 1. This is x equal to 1 line. This is x equal to 4 line. Okay. In the first quadrant you have to find. So x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. This region area you have to find. Okay. So area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to x and the lines x is equal to 1, x equal to 4 and x axis in the first quadrant. Now this is the graph. This is the graph. So what is the limits of x here? X equal to 1 and x equal to 4. Lower limit is x, upper limit is 4. Okay. What is the y dx? No, y dx. So y is equal to what we'll get? Y is equal to plus or minus root x. Okay. Now we'll take modulus of y because we have first quadrant positive, no, area anyhow positive only. So required area is equal to integral a to b modulus of y dx. So y square is equal to x means mod y is equal to square root of x. So integral 1 to 4, lower limit is 1, upper limit is 4. Okay. Integral 1 to 4 square root of x dx. Now square root of x integration is what? X power 3 by 2 because square root of x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2 integration is x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Now this denominator 3 by 2 comes to numerator as 2 by 3. Now if we substitute upper limit, so what we have? 4 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit 1 power 3 by 2 is 1 only. So 4 power 3 by 2. 4 power 3 by 2. 4 what we can get? 2 square power 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. 2 cube. Okay. So 2 by 3 into 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 2 by 3. 7 into 2 by 3 is how much? 14 upon 3. So area square units. So 14 upon 3 square units. Okay. Now here question is to find area of the region bounded by the parabola y square is equal to x and the lines x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 and x axis in first quadrant. Okay. Now here curve is what? Parabola y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. Y having even power. So graph is symmetrical about x axis. Okay. Y square is equal to x. Okay. Standard parabola y square is equal to 4ax form. So y square is equal to x. Okay. Next, what are the lines given? X is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, x equal to 1 line, x equal to 4 line. Okay. X axis, this is x axis. Okay. X equal to 1 line, x equal to 4 line and x axis. Okay. In first quadrant we are finding. So this is the shaded region area. This area we have to find. Okay. So here lower limit is 1, upper limit is 4, but y dx, when you are using x limits, integral a to b, y dx we have to write. So what is y here? Y is plus or minus square root of x. So modulus of y, if you consider, modulus of y is equal to what? Square root of x. So modulus of y is square root of x. So required area is equal to integral a to b modulus of y dx. So what is lower limit 1, upper limit is 4, integral 1 to 4, mod y is square root of x dx. Okay. So square root of x is nothing but x power 1 by 2, x power n by 2 integration, x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, lower limit 1, upper limit 4. So 2 by 3, this denominator 3 by 2 comes in numerator as 2 by 3. Okay. If you substitute upper limit 4 in place of x, 4 power 3 by 2 minus 1 power 3 by 2. So 4 is 2 square, Okay, 2 cancel, 2 cube is 8, 8 minus 1 7, 7 into 2 by 3 nothing but 14 upon 3 square units. Okay, that is the area. Find the area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 9x, x equal to 2 and x equal to 4, x axis in first quadrant. Okay, find the area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 9x, x equal to 2, x equal to 4 and x axis in first quadrant. Okay, now what is the given curve here? First of all, given curve is parabola y square is equal to 9x. Okay, y power is even, so graph is symmetrical about x axis. Graph is symmetrical about x axis. Y square is equal to 9x. Okay, this is the rough graph. Okay, between the lines x equal to 2, x equal to 4 in first quadrant. Okay, so this is x equal to 2, x equal to 2 line, x equal to 4 line, like this will get, but only in first quadrant we are dying. So x equal to 2 to x equal to 4. So this shaded region area we have to find. Okay, so here x limits, what are the x limits? X equal to 2, x equal to 4. So lower limit is 2, upper limit is 4. Okay, so y square is equal to 9x, y square is equal to 9x. Now required area is integral a to b modulus of y dx. Now y square is equal to 9x, so mod y is equal to how much? 3 root x. Mod y is equal to, taking square root on both sides, okay, mod y is equal to 3 root x. So required area is equal to integral a to b mod y dx. So lower limit 2, upper limit 4. So 2 to 4, integral 2 to 4. Mod y is how much? 3 root x, 3 constant, 3 I'll write outside. So 3 times of integral 2 to 4 square root of x dx. Okay, now square root of x is nothing but x power 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2. So x power 1 by 2 integration is what? X power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, lower limit 2, upper limit 4. Okay, now by substituting upper limit 4 in place of x, also this denominator 3 by 2 comes in numerator as 2 by 3. So 3 into 2 by 3, 3 get cancelled, 2 into in place of x substitute upper limit, so 4 power 3 by 2 minus in place of x substitute lower limit 2 power 3 by 2. Okay, now 4 power 3 by 2, 4 is nothing but 2 square power 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, 2 cube nothing but 8 minus 2 power 3 by 2, 2 power 3 by 2 what we can write? 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 by 2, nothing but 2 root 2. Okay, so 2 into 8 minus 2 root 2, 2 into 8 minus 2 root 2. So 2 common, 2 if we take common outside, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 minus root 2 square units. Okay, now like first problem, almost similar to first problem only this is also. Okay, what we have to find? Area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 9x between the lines x equal to 2, x equal to 4 and x axis in first quadrant. Okay, so area of this region y square is equal to 9x between the lines x equal to 2, x equal to 4 and x axis, this is the area. Y square equal to 9x graph. Okay, x equal to 2 line, x equal to 4 line, only first quadrant area we are finding. So this is the shaded region area. Now this area is equal to, lower limit is 2, upper limit is 4. Okay, modulus of y dx. Okay, modulus of y is nothing but 3 root x. Y square equal to 9x means mod y is equal to 3 root x. Okay, so integral lower limit to upper limit 2 to 4. Okay, 3 root x dx. Now x power 1 by 2 integration x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. 3 by 2 denominator comes to numerator as 2 by 3. 3 get cancelled, 2 into. We substitute 4. Okay, 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2. 4 is 2 square power 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled, 2 cube 8 minus 2 power 3 by 2. 2 power 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 root 2. Okay, so 2 common, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 minus root 2 square units. Okay, next question. Question number 3. Find area of the region bounded by x square equal to 4y. X square equal to 4y between the lines y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and y axis in the first quadrant. Okay, y equal to 2, y equal to 4 and y axis in first quadrant. Now here given curve x square equal to 4y, it is a parabola. It is a parabola and here we have even power x, even power of x. Even power of x means a graph is symmetrical about y axis. Whatever graph you have, right side of y axis, same graph on the left side of y axis. Okay. Now given curve is x square equal to 4y parabola, and the lines y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 in first quadrant. This area we have to find. This is the rough graph of the given curve. Okay. This is the area we have to find. Okay. Now what are the y limits here? Lower limit is 2, upper limit is 4. So when y limits are given, area is equal to integral lower limit to upper limit x dy. Okay, modulus of x dy. So x square equal to 4y. So mod x is equal to how much? 2 root y. Mod x is equal to 2 root y. Okay. So 2 into lower limit to upper limit 4. Okay, root y dy. So 2 into y power 3 by 2, y power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, lower limit to upper limit 4. Okay. Now what will get here? But this denominator 3 by 2 comes to numerator as 2 by 3. So 2 into 2 by 3, 4 by 3. In place of y if you substitute 4, 4 power 3 by 2 minus in place of y if you substitute 2, 2 power 3 by 2. Okay, so 4 by 3 into 4 power 3 by 2. 2 square whole power 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, 2 cube is 8. Minus 2 power 3 by 2. 2 power 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 root 2. 2 root 2. So 4 by 3 into 8 minus 2 root 2. Now if we take 2 common here, so required area is equal to 8 by 3 into 4 minus square root of 2 square units. Okay, that is the answer, final answer. Okay, now here these 3 problems are similar problems. 3 problems are similar problems. Okay, first 2 problems are almost similar. Third problem, in place of x we have y. Okay, now what is the third question? Here third question, find the area of the region bounded by x square equal to 4y, y is equal to 2, y equal to 4 and y axis in first quadrant. Okay, area of the region bounded by the curve x square equal to 4y and the lines y is equal to 2, y equal to 4 and y axis is given in the figure here. Lower limit is 2, upper limit is 4. Okay, so a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4. Okay, now when we are using y limits, we will write mod x dy. When we are using x limits, we will write mod y dx. Now mod x square equal to 4y, mod x is equal to what? 2 root y. So required area is lower limit to upper limit mod x dy. Okay, so mod x is what? 2 root y, 2 outside, root y dy. Okay, what is lower limit? 2, upper limit is how much? 4. Okay, so 2 times of 2 to 4 square root of y dy. Okay, 2 into root y integration is what? Root y integration is y power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, lower limit to upper limit 4. Okay, now this denominator 3 by 2 comes to numerator as 2 by 3. So 2 into 2 by 3, 4 by 3 into, now in place of y if you substitute 4, 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2. Okay, now 4 power 3 by 2, 4 power 3 by 2 is how much? 8 minus 2 power 3 by 2 is how much? 2 root 2. So area is equal to 4 by 3 into 8 minus 2 root 2. If you take 2 common, so what we get? 8 by 3 into 4 minus square root of 2 square units. Okay, now we will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next session.